Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type c colon, then hit enter. Now we need to type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy *.* backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now type copy space *.* space backup1 and hit enter. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *.* space .. and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now type in cd space c colon / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type bcdedit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c colon /boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now type ren space c colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.